Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the perfect companion for your outdoor cooking adventures, the 12-inch round pizza stone, designed specifically for Aidpiza outdoor pizza ovens, grills, and barbecues. Crafted from high-quality cordierite and fired at a scorching 1,250 degrees, this pizza stone is built to withstand temperatures up to 800 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for electric ovens, outdoor grills, and pizza ovens. Its 0.47-inch thickness ensures even and quick heating, absorbing excess moisture and grease from your food for that perfect crispy crust. The stone's ability to store and radiate heat efficiently shortens baking time while reducing internal moisture loss, giving you deliciously cooked pizzas every time. Whether you're using a gas oven, charcoal grill, or wood-fired pizza oven, this multifunctional pizza stone is a must-have for any pizza enthusiast. Its compact size makes it easy to use and store, seamlessly fitting into your outdoor cooking gear. So, elevate your pizza-making game with this exceptional baking stone and enjoy perfectly cooked pizzas with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.